mano. Comienza, ¿no? Comienza, ¿no? Sure.
The Beauty Bends here, and I am back with another video. This video is on how I trim my hair at home. This is how my ends kind of look right now. So you can actually see, like you can literally see my hair split. My ends are a little bit lighter, and that's just because they're damaged. My hair is like really uneven as well. So right now I'm just detangling my hair, and I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. I want to let you guys know that I am not a licensed cosmetologist, and this is just things I learned from just watching videos. And I've been trimming my own hair probably since middle school, but anyways, I'm cutting my hair so it's even when it's on my shoulders in the front, but it's going to make a V shape in the back. So my hair isn't going to be blunt cut if it's all on my back. It's going to look like that though if it's all on my shoulders or like kind of, in the front. But anyways, I'm just sectioning my hair off into these 4 sections. Kind of dancing. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to start by bringing all my hair onto one of my shoulders. And I'm actually going to cut my hair by making vertical parts, and you'll see. So I'm parting up and down. I'm not going to part horizontally yet. So I'm just kind of combing through my hair. I couldn't find my rat tail comb, so I had to kind of settle with this one. So I'm basically using my thumb and pointer finger, and this is just because my hands are small, that's easier for me. You can use your pointer finger and your middle finger to do this. I ran it down my hair, and then when I got to the point where I knew I wanted to cut, I held onto it really tight so I can move my hand around without my hair becoming uneven. And I'm just gonna clip away. Just gonna do about like 1 to 2 centimeters starting off. And then I'm going to repeat that on the same section. And one more time. Okay, now I'm moving forward to the next section, and I'm basically going to repeat the same exact steps. So by trimming my hair vertically initially, I'm not really going to lose any length by trimming this way. But this is also going to ensure that I get all my ends even towards like the top of my hair. So I'm not going to miss any layers that my hair has. But I'm also I don't have to sacrifice any length when I'm cutting vertically. But I can still trim basically all of my hair. So now I'm moving on to the front section, and I'm following the same exact steps as before. Just kind of combing through it, measuring it out, and then trimming it. And as I said before, and as you may notice, I'm creating vertical parts, not horizontal parts. So at this point, I have completely trimmed my hair with the vertical parts, and now I'm going to go back through with horizontal parts. And you'll see that in the next clip. Okay, so it was getting pretty late, so I decided that I was going to finish filming the rest of this tomorrow. So here I am the next day, and so as I said, I'm making horizontal parts this time, clipping my hair up, and then I'm parting my hair in the middle and bringing it forward on to both of my shoulders so I can see it, and then I'm just trimming it until it appears even. As I said, I'm no professional, and my goal isn't perfection. I just wanted to generally look good, and I want to make sure I don't have any split ends. So I'm just going through each part and trimming my hair until it appears even to me. So now I'm going to cut the front section of my hair. I did a part basically from like the top middle of my head and then down the sides. And basically I'm going to kind of even out my bang area a bit. Alright, and now I'm going to just comb all of my hair down and forward just to see if there's anything that I need to fix or adjust now that I've finished trimming my hair. So now I'm going to take my hair and tie it into a tiny little ponytail in front of my neck and just clip any stray hairs or any super long hairs. So this is the finished result. As I said before, this cut didn't make my hair even, but it kind of gave it a V shape. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and thank you so much for watching.